Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging, unboxing surprise. It is super mega ZILA. Yeah, you knew I had to do this, right? Oh my goodness, this box is ginormous. And I believe it's all, yep, it's all one box. Oh. And see if I can get that paper off the other side. Give me a second, I'll get it out of this plastic. All right, I am back. And I will put a picture of this right in here. All right. It is 520 centimeters by 75 centimeters. It is so big that they had to divide the picture. So there is the left side, and this is the far right side over here. So I'll just pull you this way. It is ginormous. I think I looked it up, and that means it is 17 feet long. Yeah, this is by far the biggest one I've ever had. Okay, give me a sec. I got to get the tape off. They've taped the entire box. All right, I took it out completely out of the box. Yeah, there is a massive amount of thread and stuff, but I wanted to show you all these little bitty things that came with all this. So it came with, oh, I guess you use these for, this all came in this box. It says soak off cap, and I think you put, what do you call it? A piece of cotton with your acetone, and then put these on, and it takes the color right off. But they make great, oh, what do you call them? Thimbles. If I can just, maybe. Holy cow. That is one done in bag. Oh, there we go. Because they fit right over your fingertip. And I usually turn these around. And that way they make very good thimbles. And there's 5 different sizes of these in here, so that you can actually use it for what it's supposed to be used for. So, yeah. We'll see. Alright, we're just going to set them aside. Get rid of the piece of paper. Now we have a little bag of things. Let's just dump everything out. Holy cow. So we have a bag of needles, and there's probably 20, if not 25 needles. I'm not going to sit here and count them all. And we have a little metal box. I have one of these that I got from someone that had a little flower thing. It didn't have the window. I think I've gotten one like that from another store. But you can put all your needles in there and just have them. We have a needle threader for very fine threads on one side, and a seam ripper on the other. And what is this? Oh, okay. Put all my paper there. This is a pair of snips. And they're very well made. Kind of solid plastic. So they're not flimsy like, I have a pair somewhere that's a metal one. It's all metal. So we might actually get to use those. And let's see what we got in here. We have, oh my goodness, we have a pair of beautiful scissors here. It does have a piece of plastic on the end. So, feels pretty sharp to me. So, I don't think I have any that look quite like that. Oh, and it did come with 3 thimbles. Never seen these in plastic, only in metal. So that'll work. I have them. Oh dear, what did I do here? Let's just put all the pieces and parts there. Then we have one more bag. Holy cow. And I'm not sure why we got this, because it's not silk. Oh, heck no. No. Not even in my wildest nightmare. No. We have another seam ripper. We have a small thing of wax, a needle threader, and a useless thimble. I wish they'd just kind of get over those. And there looks to be maybe 10 needles more. So, yeah, I think we got plenty of needles. I'm just going to put all this right in here. So, I didn't expect all that to come with all that. So, we'll just put all the pieces and parts together, and then we'll get on with the main event here. Okay, I got to get rid of that plastic. It's kind of, what do you call it, staticky. So now the thread, I did not, are you kidding? Are you freaking kidding me? Hold, please. Oh, I will be, oh no, I thought I was going to be emailing Ryan. Thank you, Ryan, for getting this to me. It does have a paper pattern, and it says how big it is. And this one kind of goes top to bottom like a legal pad. So I'm trying to find the colors. Here we go. We have 65 colors. Kind of thought there'd be more. And this booklet is 44 pages long, but very well printed, and you have straight cross stitch, no back stitch that I can see at all. No, none. So you can put in as much as you like, but let's, oh my gosh, I'm getting kind of, oh my gosh, kind of overwhelmed here. So we have browns, and did they have, yes they did. They have the DMC number on them, but I'll just go through the colors this way. So there's enough on the thread card, and then you have to go get the others, you know, if you run out. But very nice. Very, very nice indeed. Greens, reds. Let's get that out of the freeway. So there's probably 3 or 4 threads, maybe a little bit more of each color on thread cards. I had to look and make sure it was recording because I just don't think I can do this twice. But there are, God, at least, there's a whole bunch of that background color. Isn't that a pretty color? And then you have ones that range from this size to this size. Maybe that was the same, sorry. So, big, medium, and small. Extra threads in here. We're not going to take those out. It's going to take 3, I think, of my big plastic bags. One just for all this excess thread, but there's close to 50 skeins of thread in this. Just ginormous. Now let's look at the canvas if we can. And it's that lovely, let me get rid of those scissors before they fall on my feet. You know how it goes. My goodness, this thing is stiff as a board. We're going to have somebody with giant hands. Oh, it'll crunch down just fine. It is serged all the way around. I've seen this laid out, but the detail is just magnificent on this. Just magnificent. And I have no idea where I would start at. I'm going to put some pictures of this right in here. I'll just take pictures and roll it up as I go. But yeah, this is believable. Oh my goodness. Doesn't weigh so much because it's not that. It's thick. It's just a little stiff, but that should work out of it. And the symbols are nice and clear. I know I have it upside down. I'm so sorry. I'm surprised there's no back stitching in this, but like I said, you could put as much as you'd like in. So yeah, I was so excited to get this. I got nothing, man. I am just, wow. I don't know if I'll start on the left-hand side or the right-hand side. I think Jill from Jill Green, she got hers. So if you want to see it all laid out, she's your girl. Yeah, because I have no room. I don't even think I have a wall this long. So I probably have to put it on the ceiling if I ever finish it. And, you know, I was debating after seeing this whether or not to cover up, because they've got this as full coverage. So, yeah, I'm just so not sure if I'll do the background colors or not, or just leave it this natural tan, because it sure would be a shame to cover up all this beautiful, gorgeous fabric. So I think we'll just play it by ear, and if I feel like it needs it, then I'll put it in. If not, no big deal. But yeah, so we'll have a lot of that. What I wanted to do was go in here and tell you. Nope, that's one page. Okay, my bad. We had 310 black. Let's see. No, 550 purple. We have 666 red. We have 815 red, which is a brick red. No 939. No 33. We have 3771. And we have 3864. So I'm not sure what they're using for a white. So maybe they're using like a cream. I'm not seeing any bright, vivid white in all this at all. So yeah. But I thought you'd like to see this. I hope you enjoyed me opening this. And I will be starting this afternoon. So that'll be 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA. So join me then and find out whether I start on the left or start on the right. We'll just have to wait and see. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.